Hello, readers, and thank you for joining me for lesson number 5 of Comparative and Superlative Inflected Endings. You've been working so hard this week, and today we're going to end our lesson a little bit different than we have been the past couple days, but we'll get to that in just a minute. As we have for lessons 1 through 4, we have been reviewing some things we've already learned. We practiced our CVC words in lesson 1, our CVCE words in lesson 2, our controlled vowels in lesson 3, and lesson 4 had us practicing some blends. Well, today we're going to practice some digraphs. And digraphs, just like blends, are 2 letters. But unlike blends, digraphs make 1 sound. So we're going to go over a few digraphs today that we've already learned this year, but I want to go ahead and go over them to make sure they're still stuck up here. So the first one we have is SH, and that says shh. Can you say that? That's right. CH says ch. WH says w. TH says th or the. It can say both sounds. And PH says f. That's right. Now, digraphs can go at the beginning or the ending of a word. And so we're going to practice blending some with both. But before we do that, we have to practice writing them. So let's get out our paper and pencil, your whiteboard and dry erase marker, whatever you're going to use today. And let's practice writing them. So let me get myself bigger. There I am. And let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with SH first. Remember, make the sound when you write it. Shh. 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 Like shut. Next is CH. CH says ch. 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 Like chocolate. My favorite one. Next is WH. W. 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 What are we going to do next? We're going to do TH. 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 There is one more word, one more blend to do, and last is PH, says f. 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 Like phone. Very good. Thank you for practicing those with me. Now let's practice blending a few words that have those at the beginning or the end. Let's go ahead and get started. Sound. K. Sound. I. Put that together. Cash. Cash. Ash. Cash. I wish I had some more cash in my wallet. Sound. W. Sound. I. Put that together. Which. 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 Which one do you want? Sound. Sh. Sound. A. Put that together. Shape. 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 Of course, there's nothing there because it doesn't make a sound. And this shape is a rectangle. Sound. The. Sound. I. Put that together. That. 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 The. At. That. That is that word. Sound. Sound. E. Put that together. reach, 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 reach. I have to reach real hard to get to the top shelf. Sound, g. Sound, Put that together, ah. Put that together, graph, graph, graph. I can look at a graph to see how many times things happen. Sound, w. Sound, a. Put that together, whale, whale, w-a-o, whale. Whales live in the ocean. Now, let's practice the sounds we've already learned this year. We've already learned these. Let's practice them again. Say these with me. Gull, bull, sp, ft, der, gur, ch, s, or, e, a, e, e. Now, let's get to our comparative and inflected endings. We know that when you're using an adjective, a describing word, you add er when you're comparing two things and use est when you're comparing three or more things. If the word ends in y, change y to I. Then you add the er or est. If it ends with an e, you drop it. And then you add er or est. And if it has one syllable and it ends with a vowel and a consonant, you double that consonant before adding the inflected endings. Now, usually for lesson 5s, we race the teacher in reading, and that's what we're going to do today. So I've got some words. I've got some compare it just 1, compare it 2, then compare it 3, and we're going to read those and see if you can read them before me. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Bold, bolder, boldest, fancy, fancier, fanciest, big, bigger, biggest, late, later, latest, smart, smarter, smartest, tiny, tinier, tiniest, hot, hotter, hottest, cute, cuter, cutest. And that is the end. Thank you guys for working so hard with me this week. I do appreciate you being here, and I hope that you've gotten just a little bit better. And your writing has gotten a little bit easier too. Until next time, we will see you then, and until then, happy reading.